me try to show you the type of things take you to places you never seen.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be featuring lavyhair.com. I'll be sure to link all their information down below. So right now I'm just giving you a brief unboxing of everything that comes with this wig and how the wig looks straight out of the package. This is Lavy Hair's Brazilian Jerry Curly 22 inches lace front wig, 180% density. This is how the hair looks after it has been washed. I went in and sewed an elastic band in this unit because in this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can easily apply your frontal wig without any glue, any type of adhesive. So I'm starting off by just slicking my edges back, and if you have the type of hairline like mine's, this application will be fairly easy for you because my edges are just protruding. They come down far on my forehead. So I find it really easy to apply my frontal wigs using this method. So first, what you want to do is customize your unit to your liking, of course. So that is what you guys are going to see me attempt to do on camera. I didn't do it all with the wig on my head because it's kind of hard, but I wanted to show you guys how you can customize a frontal unit to your hairline, and I think I did a fairly good job. So don't just take the tweezers and just go ham in front of the hairline. You want to kind of pull out about a half of inch of hair out and then start to tweeze the hair so you don't mess up the hairline or get any bald spots. Now I'm going in using a foundation that's like a shade or two darker than my skin tone, and instead of bleaching my knots, I'm kind of like tinting the lace with the foundation. In this easy, foolproof, beginner-friendly wig application method, I'm just applying bobby pins to adhere the sides down. And the elastic band is the star of the show. Once you sew the elastic band in on your frontal wig, it will make the lace lay down flat and seamlessly to your hairline. So if you don't like to glue your wigs down, you guys have to try this method. So I'm briefly showing you guys how the hairline looks. And I'm also showing you guys how the hair looks fluffed out as opposed to the curls being more defined. And if you guys are interested in my updated curly hair routine, stay tuned, because when I do an update on this wig, I'm going to show you guys how I care for this unit and how I define the curls. So now what I'm doing is just simply going in and adding a few baby hairs, just to kind of camouflage the hairline. And also I just find that baby hairs look great on curly hair units. So once again, this application is foolproof, beginner friendly, and definitely also recommended if you like to switch your wigs out, or you just are the type of person who doesn't have time to be gluing anything down to your hairline. You want to save your edges, whatever have you. This is the wig application for you. And if you don't like to do baby hairs, of course, skip that part. But for the most part, you guys, this application is effortless. And I also decided to go in and cut some layers into this unit. So once again, you guys, this is Lavy Hair's Brazilian Jerry Curly unit in the length 22 inches, 180% density. I will link a direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as a direct link to lavyhair.com. Don't forget to use the code 805 if you want to save $10 off your order. And let me know how you feel about this wig down below, and let me know how you adhere your wigs, your frontal wigs. Do you use any got to be glued? Or what do you do? What's your method? And if you are going to try the elastic band method, let me know that too. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.